I'm happy to see you today and talk to you on the element of water in the body and in the universe. I told you already that we are in the universe and the universe is inside of us. The proposition remains more or less same. 75%, 72 to 75 percentage of the earth is filled with water. Stagnant water, running water, spring water, rainwater, and different kinds of water together. When we put it, it is 72 to 75 percentage. The earth is made out of water. The same percentage stays good for us, for our bodies. 72 percentage of our body is made up of water. The water element, it dominates certain part of our organs. First, we should understand the nature of water. Water is stagnant in some places. That is, water stays in a container. Water comes out like a spring. Water leaks out like a small spring. Water rushes in the river. And water is in the earth soil. So, my dear friends, different kinds of waters stay in this universe. The same way, the water inside our body, there is a liquid called blood that keeps running, that keeps moving in the body. There is a water in the kidney that stays. There is a water in the mouth that secretes. And there is also a water in the bone marrow. Why we call bones have the soil element dominating, but bones marrow has the water element dominating, because the bone marrow is the one that produces the blood. White copper cells and red copper cells are produced by this bone marrow. The quality of the bone is the quality of the bone marrow. Quality of the bone marrow is the quality of blood what you have. If your HP is very low, if you have your blood is very unhealthy, then we will have to strengthen the bones, we'll have to strengthen the bone marrow in order to make you healthy. So my friends, is it what are the organs I told you? Blood has a water element, and bone marrow has a water element, and saliva has a water element, and then sperm and mucus, they have the water element. So all these have the water element. The characteristic of water is preservation. The water has life. It preserves. The earth creates, but water preserves. Blood preserves. Blood safeguards the life. The water element in the body, 72% of this water element in the body. That helps to care, to preserve life. So my friends, the ordinary characteristics of the water element is the same as that of the body. When the quality of the water is good, there is life. In Tamil, there is a proverb, they call it, Neerindri Amayada Ulagam, means if there is no water, there is no life in that planet. So also, the water plays an important role in the human body. It takes life. It preserves life. So, my friends, why do we bathe every day? You think that bathing is cleaning? No. We we balance the energy by pouring the water on us. We balance the energy. Number two, we cool the body. We cool the body through bathing. And then we energize the body through bathing. If you have a swimming pond, it's fine. You can go for a swimming and body gets refreshed. We used to drink the normal water. What is a drinkable water? Drinkable water is only the rainwater. All other waters are not drinkable water. Many times we put the bore well and we suck it out. That has many elements of the earth. It has more metals, and sometimes it is not that very healthy, and it has more sulfur and other things. But what is pure and good and normal drinking water is rainwater. Rainwater can be preserved when it is kept out of the sun rays. It will not get contaminated. So we can have it even for 10 years. That is the reason that those days they had a pond. They collected the water in the pond and they used it for drinking. And that had lot of good elements because it is rainwater, number one. Number two, it was stayed in the soil. It was enriched by the soil. And the third one, every day the sunlight was falling on it. So my dear friends, we have forgotten the olden ways. What is in the universe is inside of us, and what is inside of us is in the universe. Do you understand now? Let all be happy and respect the natural elements of the earth and become a custodians. Take care and pass it on to the next generation. That is the duty of us. I'm happy that I have spoken to you today about water element in the body and in the earth where we are living. Bye then. May God bless you.